Hello, if you want to change the touch control on TOZO Crystal Pods, then what you need to do is get the TOZO app, which is for free. You can get it for free in the App Store or in the Play Store, depending on your operating system. Once you have it, once you pair your Crystal Pods with your smartphone, and once you do that also in the app, then of course you can go to the settings of your Crystal Pods. So over here in the top right corner, you can tap on this gear and then go to touch control. Here we can switch between the left and right earbud, and you can also see what each gesture does. And you can customize it. You can customize a single click, double click, or triple click. What should happen when you do that with the touch panel? So of course the touch panel is over here at the top, and by default, of course, you can see that we can play and pause the song, we can use previous or next song, we can enable the voice assistant or go to the normal mode. You can switch the mode by long pressing the left earbud or the right one. And here we also have some options that are not changeable and that you cannot really customize, like answering, rejecting the phone call, or hanging up. And that is pretty much it. So let's say if I want to switch triple click to something else, then I can tap on it and I have the list of all the options. So I can, for instance, decrease the volume if I want to, or increase it on the right one, I believe. Remember that you can still scroll down on the list so that you have more options. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.